So we start the session. Okay, thank you all. So very good afternoon, all of you. So let us start the session. So in yesterday class, what we discussed? We discussed about how to create the commands. So after that, we discuss about how to pass the arguments to the user-defined commands. In yesterday class, we discussed these two topics. Now you can see the next topic. The next topic is program output as arguments. So program output as, how we can pass output of one program as a argument to other program. Okay, so first we discuss what is a command, what is an option, and what is argument. In our previous classes also we discussed the same thing. We can review the same thing. Okay. So now if I give cal command, so this is the command. So cal is a command. If I give cal hyphen d, sorry, if I give, just wait. So cal command returns what it returns. It displays a calendar and the date of Easter. So that means it displays the current date. So that means cal is a command. So for that we are going to give hyphen h hyphen capital J hyphen e hyphen small j. All these are the commands. Okay. So now we can see that. So cal returns September 2020. So that means what it returns, if you give the cal command, it returns the current month. If I give cal, so hyphen a, sorry, hyphen m, sorry. Cal hyphen m. Now what it argument hyphen m, we discuss later. So for example, ls is the command. So for that, so what are the options you are going to provide? ls hyphen l or hyphen a or hyphen r. All these are the options. So that means based on these options, the representation will be changed. So already we discussed about this. Now, so if I am saying that if I ask you a question, so identifies the options in this command means what you can say? You say that the hyphen l, hyphen a, hyphen r. So these are the options. And what about the ls? ls is the command. If I am saying that, so identify the command in this, the command name in this instruction, then you can identify that ls is the command name, and hyphen l, hyphen a, hyphen r, these are the options. And if I give the file name here, now the sample and for are the arguments to the program or to the command ls. Now if I press yes, enter, then you can identify that ls command, and applying these options we are applying on these files. That means I can perform this ls command by using these options on these two files. One is the sample, another one is the for. That means you can understand that ls is the command, hyphen l, hyphen a, hyphen r. So these are the options, and sample for, these are the two file names. These two file names we are called as a arguments. Okay, that's it. First you can understand that. After that, so today topic is, so program output as argument. So program output as argument. What that means? If I give, for example, so this is the date. So date. What is the date here? The date means it represents today date. Now I want to give this output as a argument. For example, I am giving the one argument, echo hi. So what it prints? It prints so hi. So now the echo function, sorry, the echo command treating these hi as a argument. Okay, similarly, if I give echo hi and bye, then how many arguments I passed to this echo? So two arguments. One is hi, another one is bye. Okay, so now I am using the same echo today date is. Today date is, if I use date, then it displays that echo today date is date. That's it. So today date is date. But in the place of date, I want to print current date. That means this is the current date. So today date is, so Wednesday 16 September. Now I want to print this Wednesday 16 September in the place of date. That is a problem. So how you are going to substitute, or how you are going to pass a command output as an argument to another command? If you observe that, so this is the date is a command. Now I want to pass this command output as argument to another command known as echo. Okay, so that means if you give the date, you get some output. Now this output is substituted in the echo command. Okay, how? So already we discussed in our first unit the command substitution. So how you have done the command substitution means by using the backcodes. Sorry, single quotation. So this is the backcode. By using this backcode, you are going to substitute a command in another command. Now we can see that. So before that, we see the theory part, one or two lines theory. Okay, the shell allows the standard output of one command to be used as argument of another command. That means the shell allows the standard output of one command to be used as an argument of another command. The shell executes the command encloses with single quote. It's not a single quote, it's a back quote, sorry. Say back quotes, and replaces the command with standard output. So many people confusing here. So because these back quote and single quotation both are appear as same. So don't use single quotation when you are writing the commands in another command. Use back quotes. The shell executes the command, encloses within back quotes, and replace the command with the standard output. This is called command substitution. So how you can write the command substitution means by using the back quote, and you can write the command and use the back quote. Okay, so back quote, command, back quote. So for example, already we discussed about this. Echo today date is date. So how I can write this? Echo today date is, in back quotes I am going to write date. That's it. So echo today date is, in back quotes I write the date. Now we can see what happened. So now what happened? In previous we get the today date is date only, but now today date is, we get the output of one command date. So in this way you are going to pass the program output as argument. So what is the program here? The program is date. The output of date is passed as argument to the another command echo. Okay. Now we can see before going to this. In yesterday class we forget one thing. I discuss about that. After that we come into this again. So now I am going to write one program. So now I move to desktop. In yesterday we discussed about the arguments. How we can pass the arguments to a command. So how we can identify the arguments? In last class we discussed about $0, $1, $2. We discussed about only $0 and $1. What it means? So what it means? It means that $0 means program name, $1 means arguments. Let us discuss with one example, then you can understand for better understanding. I create a file. The file name is example section 2. Okay. .sh. Where it is? Give 1 minute of time. It was struck. Okay. Sorry. So give 2 minutes time. So meanwhile I can prepare my system. Just 1 second. Some internal error I got. Okay. Okay. I create a file example section 2.sh. So automatically file is created on desktop. This is the file created on desktop. Now I can write the program, one program, echo hello friends, how are you? So this is the message I want to print on console. So after that I am giving the instruction, click on save and can execute this. How we can execute this? / what is the program name? Ex section 2.sh. Okay, we get the error that the permission denied. We don't have the permission to execute this program. So first you can grant the execution permission for user. What is the program name? Section 2.sh. Okay, now you can check this. ls-l example section 2.sh. Okay, now it have the execution permission. Now we can execute this / example section 2.sh. Okay, it prints the message. So hello friends, how are you? The message is displayed on monitor. Okay, now we discuss about what is $0, $1, $2. So now I execute the same program and giving the arguments. For example, I am fine. I am fine. Now you can see what happened. In this program, I am going to write echo $0, echo $1, echo $2. Okay. Now I can save this file and I can execute. Now you can observe that what it prints. Say echo hello friends, how are you means it prints hello friends, how are you? So after that I print $0. So $0 indicates what? $0 indicates name of the program. Name of the program. And what $1 indicates? $1 indicates first argument. When you can execute the program, if you are giving any arguments, these arguments are stored in one array. If you observe that these are the similar to command line arguments, already you know in your Java or in Python or in C. At the time of execution, you are passing some arguments. These arguments are stored in one array, and how in Unix, how we can identify these arguments by using $1. $1 means first argument. I is the first argument. That's why it prints I. And yam is the second argument. So I print $2 means it prints yam. If I print $3, if I print $3, so what is the output? It prints I fine. Okay. It prints I fine. So previously we print $2, so it prints I yam. Okay, so in this way you can handle the arguments, whatever arguments you are passing to the commands or programs. These arguments are stored on so $1, $2, $3. Okay, so next coming to our so program output as argument. So now up to now we execute one program command, one command substitution we saw. So what we saw? So echo today date is, in back quotes we give the date, then it prints like this. Today date is, this is the, we execute on September 5. So now echo today date is, and back quotes I give date. That's it. So this is the output. Today date is Wednesday 16 September 2020 along with the time. Okay, so next one, the same command substitution we are using for some meaningful data. So for example, I want to know who are currently logged in. So logged into my system. So what is the command we are using? What is the command we are using to know who are currently logged in the system? How? So who? If it displays the 10 lines, then 10 members are logged in. So when you are going to your lab sessions, then you can execute this command. So who means it displays the who are the logged in users. So it displays the details of the persons who are logged in the current system. Now in my system I have only one person logged in, so it displays the 1. If there is a 10 members, 10 lines will be displayed. That means if it displays the 8 lines, then we say that 8 members are logged in. If it displays the 108 members, then it shows the 108 numbers. So I can redirect this output to a function who. How we can redirect? By using the pipe symbol. So how I can count? There is a command. So what is the command name? The command name is WC. The command name is WC. What is the WC? Word count. What it displays? It displays 1544. So 1544 means the 1 is regarding number of lines, the 5 is regarding number of words, and 44 is number of bytes. That means this is the first word, second word, third, fourth, and fifth. So 5 words. Okay, so now I want to know, so how many users, how many currently logged in users. Then I can give who pipe WC hyphen L. Hyphen L means what it prints? It prints only the lines. It prints only the lines. How many lines we have? 1. So it prints only 1. That means now I want to print this message in a meaningful way. So for example, echo currently logged in users in the system are, in back quotes I am going to give who WC hyphen L back quote close double quotation close. Okay, now you can say that what is the expected output. So echo currently logged in users in the system are who pipe wc -l. So that means what it prints? It prints currently logged in users in the system are 1. Okay, in this way you can give the output of one command as an argument to another command. Okay, now you can see another example. So command substitution in shell script. So command substitution in shell script. That means now I create one shell script. I create a file, touch, and file name is example today. So example today. One file is created on desktop. Desktop example today, ex today. Yeah, this is the okay. So this is the file created automatically. So in this we are going to print the same command. For example, this is the I copy the same command, and along with that I am going to print echo my present working directory is my present working directory is. So how we can know the present working directory? What is the command? Backcode pwd, backcode close. That's it. So this is the program. So this is the shell script. I write like this and I can save this program. And after that, how I can execute dot slash x today. That's it. So permission. Every time you can provide the permission plus x ex today. Okay, now you can execute this program. Now you can observe the output. So currently logged in users in the system are 1, and my present working directory is hash home or the desktop. So this is the command pwd. So this is the output. Now this output is acts as an argument to another command echo. So in this way you are going to use these output, so program output as arguments. Okay, I hope you all are understand. So how to pass the arguments to other commands in Unix. Okay, so now from last 3 classes we discuss about the creation of commands. So creating commands, after that so command arguments and parameters, and program output as arguments. How we can give the output of one command to another command. We discuss all these things. So now if you have any doubts on these topics, these 3 topics, then ask me or raise your doubt in the chat box also. So all of you, please participate in the quiz. The quiz link is available in the chat box. So write down one new thing you learned today. Yeah, command substitution, passing output as an argument, parameter as output. Yes. So creating commands, output redirection commands, shell commands as arguments, create a new link about program output as arguments. Very good. So 30 members gives their response. So remaining people also use the response. Yeah, 32 members, arguments, commands. Yeah, very good. So next we move to quiz. Okay. So all of you start the quiz. So all of you please join in the quiz. So all of you please join in the quiz. The link is available in the chat box. Okay, so let us start the quiz. Answer fast to get more points. So chmod plus x file1. In this command, identify argument. So what is the argument? Chmod plus x file1. In this command, identify argument. Chmod plus x file1, none of the above. Okay, file1 is the correct. File1 is the correct. So after first question, Shroud, Kusuma, Arun. These are the top three. So next question, same question. Chmod plus x file1. In this command, identify command. What is the command we are using in this instruction? Chmod plus x file1. In this command, identify command. So time's up. Yes, chmod is the command. Very good. Now we check the leaderboard. Who is on the top after 2 questions? Kusuma, Arun, Manikanta. These are the top 3. Again the same question. So chmod plus x file1. In this command, identify option. What is the option? Yes, plus x is the option. Very good. So plus x is the option. Now we check who is on the leaderboard. Very good. Kusuma, Arun, Manikanta. So fourth question. What is a command? What is a command? What is a command? Command is a program. Command is a device. Command is a user. None of the above. So what is a command? Yes, command is a program. Yes, 42 members give the correct answer. Command is a program. Now we check who is on leaderboard after 4 questions. Kusuma, Arun, Manikanta. Same. So last question. So cal command returns what? Cal command returns current month calendar, year calendar, previous year calendar, none of the above. So cal, if I give the cal command, what it returns? Yes, it returns current month calendar. It returns current month calendar. Okay. Now we check. So after completion of all the question, we check who is on top 10. Yeah. So Kusuma is on the top, Pujita on second, Donut. Third, Saranya, Pravallika, Arun, Alekya, Manikanta, Seshu, Indusai. So these are the top 10 for today quiz. And thank you all. So any doubts, anybody? Anybody have any doubts? Yeah, thank you. So today session is over. So thank you all.